This is the first in the series of Professor Fellow lectures for 2026. Last year we had the first one that was given by Professor Fellow Dr. Zaini Ujang, the former Secretary General of the Ministry of Higher Education. We have altogether 7 Professor Fellows. So the 6 are giving their inaugural lectures this week and this year. So the talk by Professor Yasir Auda on the Ummatic significance of the MAQASID project. It is very, very important. And I'm very happy the outcome and the response of the from participants. Basically, the hall is the Senate hall is full of participants, not only from the university, from outside the university. So the next 5 lectures will be held at intervals of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that, which will last until the month of May, inshallah. So I want to emphasize this is very important lecture series because it discusses issues of great importance to the Ummah, to the university, to the country, and even to the global Ummah, and even to humanity. The topics discussed are all of global nature. So we hope, inshallah, the next 5 lectures will be held with a great response. So I invite everyone to join in the next for the next lecture, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I am honored to give the first lecture in the series of the Professor Fellows newly appointed to Iium. I gave my lecture on the Ummatics in general, which is the welfare of our Ummah and the unity of our Ummah versus the MAQASID project, or the purpose of Islamic jurisprudence project. And I talked about the importance of the intellectual work for the unity and welfare of our Ummah, alhamdulillah. And thank you very much for Iium for this program. It was a brilliant scholarly discussion, and inshallah my time in Iium will be a very fruitful time, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.